Hey guys, Sujit here. Welcome to Just Tech YouTube channel. Guys, if you don't know how to do dress changing transitions in TikTok, and if you are interested to do that, this video is for you. And in this video, I will explain how to do dress changing videos in TikTok. Okay, I did not do that video, but my friend did that video. I will provide link in the description. You can follow him if you like this video. First choose your favorite song and go to timer section, and here you select and tap where you want to change the dress according to your song. After 3 seconds it will start recording and you do your action. After doing your action it will stop automatically, and before that you choose one pose like this, and then again change your dress and come and go to timer section. Tap where you want to change again dress again. Now start shooting. After 3 seconds keep the pose where you have stopped like that. Now go and come again with another dress and adjust your timer again, and again click on start shooting button. Now after 3 seconds it will start recording, and here's it looks here like this, and come again with your last pose. Okay, now start shooting. After 3 seconds it will start recording and like this, and here's the output. Guys, this is the tutorial of clothes changing transition in TikTok. I hope guys this video is helpful to you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and support me for more tech updates. Thank you for watching. This is Sujit. You are watching Just Tech, and I'm signing out.